Hello everyone. Here we have got an exponential equation to solve. This equation has got two variables x and y, and both these variables are supposed to be rational numbers. So let us see that how do we solve this equation. To solve this equation, first we express all the numbers in the form of their prime factors, which makes the equivalent equation as 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 square whole raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 whole raised to the power y, becoming equal to 2 into 3 whole raised to the power xy. And opening the brackets, the exponents get multiplied and the equation becomes 2 raised to the power 3x into 3 raised to the power 2x plus 2 raised to the power 4y into 3 raised to the power y, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power xy into 3 raised to the power xy. On the left hand side, we gather the powers of 2 and powers of 3 together to get an equivalent equation as 2 raised to the power 3x into 2 raised to the power 4y into 3 raised to the power 2x into 3 raised to the power y, being equal to 2 raised to the power xy into 3 raised to the power xy. With multiplication for same bases, the indices get added and the equation becomes 2 raised to the power 3x plus 4y into 3 raised to the power 2x plus y, being equal to 2 raised to the power xy into 3 raised to the power xy. To further solve this equation, we take natural log of both the sides and the equation becomes ln 2 raised to the power 3x plus 4y into 3 raised to the power 2x plus y, being equal to ln 2 raised to the power xy into 3 raised to the power xy. Now on both the sides we use the multiplication formula of log and the equation transforms to ln 2 raised to the power 3x plus 4y plus ln 3 raised to the power 2x plus y equal to ln 2 raised to the power xy plus ln 3 raised to the power xy. Now as the second step, we use the power law of log and the equation becomes 3x plus 4y into ln 2 plus 2x plus y into ln 3 is equal to xy ln 2 plus xy ln 3. All the terms are brought on the left hand side and arranged so as the terms of ln 2 and ln 3 are together, which makes the equation as 3x plus 4y ln 2 minus xy ln 2 plus 2x plus y ln 3 minus xy ln 3 is equal to 0. Taking ln 2 common from the first two terms and ln 3 common from the last two terms, we get 3x plus 4y minus xy ln 2 plus 2x plus y minus xy ln 3 is equal to 0. Here we can notice that ln 2 and ln 3 are occurring in this equation, and both ln 2 and ln 3 are irrational numbers, and if we allow the irrational solution, this equation will be having infinite number of solutions. But in the given problem, it says that both x and y have to be rational numbers. So let us see that how do we find the rational solutions of this equation. To find the rational solutions of this equation, we divide whole of the equation by ln 2 to get another equivalent equation as 3x plus 4y minus xy plus 2x plus y minus xy into ln 3 by ln 2. Here ln 3 by ln 2 is also an irrational number. To find a rational solution of this equation, the term 2x plus y minus xy must vanish to remove the irrational term from this equation. That means that 2x plus y minus xy should be equal to 0, which makes this equation as 3x plus 4y minus xy is equal to 0. This is the remaining term in the equivalent equation. And now we can observe that there are two equations and two variables. So we solve these two equations. 3x plus 4y minus xy is equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus xy is equal to 0. Subtracting second equation from the first equation, we get the value of x in terms of y as x is equal to minus 3y. Putting this value of x in the second equation, we get the equation as 2 into minus 3y plus y minus 3y into y is equal to 0, which becomes minus 6y plus y plus 3y square is equal to 0, or it can be simplified as minus 5y plus 3y square is equal to 0. Taking y common from this equation, we get the equivalent equation as y into 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. This gives us two values of y, which are y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5 by 3. And to get the value of x, we use this condition of x being equal to minus 3y, and the values of x are expressed as equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 5 for the corresponding values of y. And here we can observe that both these solutions are rational numbers. It can be verified using the original equation that the values y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and y is equal to 5 by 3 and x is equal to minus 5 satisfy the given equation, and hence these two are the rational solutions of the given equation. Thanks for watching.